How's it going, guys? All right. Let me get everybody tagged. Henry, how's it going? Brandon, how's it going? Welcome to the group. All right. I'll give everybody a couple minutes to get in here, but it looks like everybody found their way. Let me check one thing. I think we may have one available team, unless the guy paid like in the last 2 minutes. So, yeah, didn't pay. So, if you are in this break and you want the New York Mets for $10, no additional shipping, $10, they're yours. First person to say sold gets them. New York Mets, $10. New York Mets. First one to claim. All right, Carson, I got you. Let me go ahead. I'll give you my PayPal here. Carson gets the Mets. All right, let me make a note there. And then Carson, I'll just add them to your shipment, okay? All right. Everybody else, though, has been paid. Everyone else has been claimed. I think for the most part, everybody is here watching. So we'll get started here soon. All right. Again, thanks everybody who's been in breaks with us before. Definitely nice to have you back. If you are new to the group, welcome. You can choose to stay in here. We do breaks throughout the week, smaller breaks throughout the week. Some fun stuff. This next week we've got some 2018 update and the Stadium Club's releasing this week, so we'll be that as well. Matt, I know. And then as after we're done with this break, I'll go ahead and we will post it on the YouTube channel as well, so you can watch it there. But yeah, feel free to stay. All the breaks that we do, I put them on here first, so people can claim them here before they go on eBay. So you got first dibs here in the group. Whatever doesn't get claimed then goes on eBay. So welcome again, and let's go ahead and we'll get going. I don't think I've got any people who are waiting to get in. I think everybody's here. All right, cool. All right. So let's go ahead and let's get started. For the sake of time, we're going to do a box at a time. I open up kind of all the packs at one time. Pick out the hits. We do the hits last. So box one. By the way, if this is your first time doing the mega boxes, 10 packs per box. So you got 10 regular chrome packs, 4 cards per pack. And then also in every pack, in every box, you get 2 X-Fractor packs. So we've got 10 boxes here, so we'll have 100 X-Fractors that will open today. So hopefully we get some good stuff. So good luck, everybody. Who's everybody wanting to pull tonight? No guaranteed hits in this product, but I think autographs are like 1 in every 60 something packs. So we've got 100 packs. So mathematically, we should get at least 1 autograph. So hopefully it's a decent one. Bob, welcome to the group. Hope you enjoy it. What team do you have, Bob? All right, no hits in this box. All right, let's go through them. Good luck, guys. Trout. There's a Solak rookie. We'll go ahead and we'll sleeve that up. Baez refractor. Before I ship out everything, all the refractors will be sleeved up. So just a heads up. And I should be able to get everything out to you guys on Tuesday. There's a Nico Horner. He's really cooled off. Randy Johnson insert. Keston Hiura refractor. Trey Turner Prism. He's been on fire. There we go. Twins. 11 years so far. Retirement so far. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's do the X-Fractors here. Segura, Webb, Conforto, Gratterall, Urania. We need one of these packs to kind of save us here. Austin Nola, who has that trade finalized yet? I know there were talks that Nola was going to get traded to the Padres. Gallo, Bradley, Baez, Nola. 2 Nolas. All right, first box was not great. Not going to lie. That was a pretty bad box. Yeah, all bums, Carl. Those weren't great. Carl, also you're new to the group. Welcome. Yeah, Padres are going all in. Like I said, I don't know if that Nola trade went through today, but they've made a few trades already. They they got Jason Castro. That trade happened. Mitch Moreland. And Moreland's been tearing it up. The Tatis X-Fractors. The Are you talking about the 2019s or are you talking about the 2020s? Like, you're talking about 2019s, right? Or are you talking about like the Rookie Cup X-Fractors? Yeah, like I said, Moreland's been tearing it up. 2019, okay. I don't have his 2019 X-Fractor. I've got the pink refractor from 2019. That's actually at PSA right now. I've got a bunch of Tatis at PSA right now. Yeah, the pink one, I mean, I think it's... You sold a pink one for $575, Dustin? I mean, I don't sell my Tatis. I keep him. I am trying to sell one of mine though. I just bought one yesterday that I need to kind of make some money back so that I can pay for it. I bought his 2019 update red auto, numbered to 25. But I gotta sell something now to kind of pay for it. Bueller refractor. Here, oh, you sold the X-Fractor. Well, it's the update. It's the 85, the 84 insert auto. So it's not like his debut. It's that one. Where are the rookies at? Diaz, Arcia, Prism. Jeez. Not the best two boxes. X-Fractors, let's save us here. Mancini, Arozarena, Dubon, Means, Brown. Carl, I sold a lot of 10 Tatis update rookie debuts for $70 the other day. They're going for like $7 or $8 a piece. Devers, Freeman, Lopez, Candelario, and Hader. Gosh, what's up with these two boxes? Well, that means we're due, right? Like, we haven't hit any of the big rookies yet. Where are they at? X-Fractor. X-Fractor. All right. Yeah, I agree, Carl. We need to get something going here. There's a hit. We'll do that one last. Good luck on that hit, guys. There's a Grisham. He crushed the ball today. Yeah, there's a Jordan on the back there, so there's something. And there's another hit, too. 2 hits in this box. Oh, did that get to you, Dustin? That is pretty nice, too. Are there any comps on that at all? That was a really good Topps Archives break we did last week. Like, that Robert that we pulled you was awesome. And who else? We got another really nice card in that break. All right. I know there's a Luis Robert in here. I saw him Reynolds, Chavis, Snell, and there is Robert. Base rookie. Oh yeah, Matt, we got your Tatis auto. So in those 2 boxes of Topps Archives that we did, we got the that Luis Robert to 25, and then the Tatis blue auto. So that was a sweet break. I don't love Archives, but that was a fun break to do. Prism, Arise. Oh yeah, and the Soto too. Yeah, that was a good box. There's Yordan. Grisham. Well, actually, we'll sleeve up Grisham. He's getting pretty hot right now. Puck. Hendricks Refractor. Arenado. A green Robert auto to 99. That's sick. Topps Chrome, I'm guessing. Very nice. Very nice. That's pretty cool. All right, let's check out. We'll do the X Fractors, then we'll do the hits. All right, here's a Kino. Kikuchi, Kingery, Dubon, Means. Freeman, Lopez, Goldie, Kepler, Belly. All right, let's check out these hits. All right, behind DeGrom. Looks like we got a base auto. All right. Our first autograph, base auto, Domingo Leyba. Domingo Leyba going to the Diamondbacks. Who's got the D-backs? I know that was an eBay one. First auto. And at least it's a hitter. And then second hit, Purple Refractor. Okay, Purple Refractor. Yeimer Candelario. Purple, number 4 of 299. All right, decent box. Luis Robert, Yordan, Aquino X Fractor, an auto, and a purple. Can't complain about that one. Box 3. Someone just sent me a message on eBay too, so once I get through this, I'm gonna just peep that out real quick, make sure it's not somebody trying to get into the room. Let's get a Nico. We when we did our case breaks of Topps Chrome, we pulled a couple Nico autographs. Oh, the guy messaged me was okay. It was the Mets guy. Like, man, sorry, we already started. We're three boxes in already. Did a 5-case break of jumbo. That would take forever. I try to just stick to the half cases, just so like I'm not sitting here for 4 hours. No hits there. You do have to be a little bit careful with the cleaning. The guy that I use to send stuff to kind of clean the cards before they get submitted, his PSA account just got shut down. So you can only do BGS now. All right. Lau. Robbie Ray Refractor. Juan Soto. Dustin May. Yamamoto Refractor. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be using him anymore, honestly, just because... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. All right, X-Fractors. There we go. There's a nice one. Kyle Lewis, X-Fractor. There you go, Wes. That's for Wes. Haniger, Eloy, Mikolas, Rosario. All right, Kyle Lewis, X-Fractor. I think these are going for like $25. Not a bad pull there. I'll tell you what, we've been hot with Kyle Lewis in this room. Moran, Bregman, Benintendi, Mikolas, and Rosario. I feel like those last two are the exact same. All right. Box 4 coming up. Let me move these into a box. Everything ships from this, by the way. Anyone not buying him is a bum. I mean, you're talking about Lewis, I'm guessing. I'll tell you what, the AL Rookie of the Year chase is going to be good because, I mean, Lewis is putting up great numbers, but, I mean, Robert also is still, I mean, he's living up to the hype. And then even, like, Luzardo. Luzardo's got a shot, I think. And then NL Rookie of the Year. gosh, it's probably, I mean, it's probably done for the most part. It's probably that, who's that guy for the Padres? Padres second baseman? Hawkinson something? He's just mashing the ball. I don't know who else would be able to get it other than him. Maybe Dustin May. He's pitching pretty well. You're gonna be biggest thing. Cronenworth. That's who I'm talking about. Cronenworth. Nico just has not been hitting. And then you've got like Keyboom got sent down the other day. I guess like, I don't know. I feel like it's basically all Cronenworth. Schwarber, Refractor. Hira. Aaron. The Diaz. Giolito. Prism. He just no-hit my Pirates the other day. Austin Meadows, Refractor. A super of Matt Thaiss. Ooh, that's nice. Mike Trout, Refractor. I mean, I don't know what that goes for, but I'm sure it's not bad. Mike Trout, Refractors. I think I saw something where his negative was like $25. There's another Kyle Lewis insert. Trout Refractor. X-Fractors. Oh, did Nico get sent down? I didn't see that. Lopez, Goldie, Giolito, Kershaw, Crawford. We haven't gotten any Nico base yet. Tanaka, Posey, Belt, Gonsolin, Kingery. Oh, Thaiss. I feel like he's... Every time like I'm going through these and I see like an autograph and I see an Angels logo and I'm like, oh my gosh, maybe it's Mike Trout. Nope, it's always Matt Thaiss. We'll get you a Nico here. Let's get that Nico X-Fractor for you. We still have 50 X-Fractors to go, so that's good news. Jose Rodriguez. There's a hit. All right, hit number 3. So this is actually from a totally separate case, Henry. So they're not... I got these from 2 different places. Yeah, so far, I mean, Diamondbacks, the Diamondbacks have probably done well. They were super cheap on eBay. I think they went for like $9. And they got that auto, so that's good for them. Did not get this from a dude behind a dumpster at Target. Hey, you know what though? If it came down to it where I had to meet somebody behind a dumpster at Target for some Topps Chrome mega boxes at a decent price, I'd probably do it. Oh, there we go. we'll just go ahead here. Pujols, Lorenzo Cain Prism, Snell. And there is our second Luis Robert base rookie. You have. I've definitely never done that. But again, like if the opportunity presented itself where like that was you know what I had to do to get some decently priced mega boxes, hey, I would do that. These are secondary market mega boxes, so the prices on these weren't super cheap. Bo Bichette, that's our first Bichette. Go ahead and put that there. Victor Reyes refractor, followed by a Victor Reyes base. Oh, I love this stuff. Morjan, Altuve. There's another Jordan, followed by Aquino. Puck. Swanson refractor. We had one of the mega boxes that we broke last weekend. It definitely had a Robert base in it, and then it had 2 Robert X-Fractors in the box. 2 Robert X-Fractors in the same box. So yeah, like you said, it only takes the one. We'll get to that hit here soon. Alvarez is by Carlos Santana. I haven't noticed the chrome being as predictable as the base. I know in like Bowman, it was always like Jordan and Lux were always right back to back. But Paddock, Demerit, Moran, Puck. We'll sleeve up the Puck and Vogelbach. He was just traded too, wasn't he? Was he traded to Toronto, I think? Vogelbach. Where is Nico? I agree. We need some Nico. Flaherty, Abreu, Ray, Semien, Bogarts. All right, hit. Looks like it is another, okay, it's a base auto. Actually, this could be the SP. Yep, it's a image variation, and it's a damn good one too. It's a damn good one. I forget who oh, you know what? Daniel, I hope you're watching. There you go. There you go, Daniel. Jordan Alvarez, image variation. Awesome hit, Daniel. We've been doing pretty good with the image variations. We got the Gavin Lux. We got the Jordan now. We got Soto earlier. That's sweet. Way to go, Daniel. Congrats. You know what, let's go ahead. Let's start putting some cards up here. There we go. I swear, Daniel, you've had some nice hits in this room, haven't you? Daniel's first break here. Oh yeah, that would have been sick. Daniel, but your first break here, that was pretty epic too. Daniel's first break in this room, he got the White Sox and a half a case of Topps Chrome. And what did we get? We got the autograph with the refractor auto. I think it was the refractor auto. And then you also got the negative refractor too. Yeah, that was a pretty crazy half case. Oh, you got the refractor base too? So negative refractor, refractor base, and the refractor auto. Yeah, I know you had a few base in there too. I mean, I think that was the jumbo. So yeah, that was awesome. Here we go. I don't know if you guys saw there on the back, finally. It's our first one of those. Here's another hit. Tatis. Yeah, that was a really nice half case. I will agree with you there. All right, good luck, guys. Savali. Snell refractor. Dustin. Yep, I'm like, all right, is it Daniel's first break in here? I'm going to give him something good. Walker's a Yamamoto Prism. So if you're a Yamamoto collector, whoever had the Marlins, you've got, I think, a couple refractors of him now. There's Bo Bichette base. This is the guy that I've been stocking up on this year. I just sent probably 20 Bo Bichettes into PSA the other day. He just needs to come back from his injury. Ohtani. There's Nico. There you go. McKay. There's another Nico. Mancini refractor. Yeah, his prices haven't really dipped though. So like he got injured, but they haven't. It didn't really reflect on his prices. Maybe it kind of stopped them because they were like skyrocketing for a while. All right, Kevin Newman, Matt Olson, Michael Conforto, Gratterall, Urena. You guys are funny. Goldie, Giolito, Bradley, Kepler, Bellinger. All right, we got a... This is I think it's a negative refractor. Nope, it's another image variation. That's awesome. Rockies, that was an eBay team. 2 image variations, back-to-back boxes. Oh, damn it. Just knocked over my top loaders. Rockies. Sweet hit. Nolan Arenado. Image variant. 2 image variants. Good stuff. I love those cards this year. They made some nice ones. All right, box number... Gosh, I guess we're on box 8. Yeah. 8, 9, and 10. That's what's left. Those image variants, by the way, 1 in every 406 packs. We've hit 2 of them. Box 8. Good luck. There's another Bichette that I see. Blue Jays. Blue Jays were claimed in the group. Was that, Dustin, did you have them? All right, that's what I thought. We need to get you a Bo Bichette X-Fractor. I said we got you 2 base and an X-Fractor. That should cover your spot. I still need to get the Bichette X-Fractor. That's like the only... It's like the only non-numbered parallel I don't have of him yet. All right. Box 8. Good luck, guys. Luzardo. Urshela is the refractor. Yeah, all of his autos are still redemptions in this. There's another Nico base. I've got one that's just sitting pending right now. I've got the refractor auto, and it's just sitting there pending. That's our first Gavin Lux I think we've gotten. Garcia, refractor. McKay, Dubon. Another Nico. Zavale, Armenteros, refractor. Another Tatis. Abreu. Prism. And there's Bo number 2. Bo number 2. Baseball Stars Guerrero Jr. red auto. Jeez. You'd think that they would have had all these cards in. I mean, the players just kind of sat around for like 4 months not doing anything. You would think that they could have signed all the cards. What do we need redemptions for right now? Keyboom. There's our second Kyle Lewis X-Fractor. There you go, Wes. Altuve, Story, Desmond. Those cards are bowed pretty good. 2 Kyle Lewis X-Fractors. That probably pays for your spot, Wes. Cabrera, Baez, Tanaka, Bogarts, Acuna. All right, box 9. So the Kyle Lewis X-Fractors have hit. We've gotten 2 of them. We just need the other ones. We got 20 X-Fractors to go here. Dustin, I do mostly PSA, and I'll do BGS for like I feel like autographs I do the BGS for, and then like especially if they're Bowman Chrome, like if they're Bowman Chrome autos, I do BGS. But pretty much everything else I do PSA for. especially if I'm looking to sell it. Like if I'm looking to sell it, the PSA just, you know, if you get a PSA 10, it's going to outsell a BGS 9.5. So it just makes sense to me to do that. But I feel like Bowman autos are a little different. Everybody kind of collects those in BGS for some reason. I can't believe we pulled 2 image variations out of this. Pretty sweet. All right, no hits in this one. Soroka, Wagner. Harold Ramirez is a refractor. Max Muncy, Prism. Kershaw, refractor. Guzman, refractor. There's a nice Bo Bichette. It's off center though. Look at that, right to left. Soroka, refractor. All right, X-Fractor time. Let's get some good ones. Get some good ones. Bradley, Springer, Martinez, Gurriel, Dozier. Walker, Thaiss, Dubon, Means, Brown. Man. I said the Kyle Lewis ones have been hitting, but that's been about it with the X-Fractors today. 2 Kyle Lewis. We got one more box, guys. One more box. Just making a little bit of room here. All right. Yeah, last week was 2 Robert X-Fractors. And you're right, though. That was like, yeah, same box. But that was really kind of all we hit. We need to spread out the X-Fractor love here a little bit. Yeah, the fact that they were same box, like back-to-back X-Fractor packs was nuts. Let's get a hit to end the break too. There we go. There's one. Last box. Good luck, guys. Eloy. Luzardo. Got a Junior Fernandez Prism. Eric Hosmer Refractor. It's nice to see Eric Hosmer finally learning how to hit the ball in the air this year, instead of just pounding it into the dirt every at bat. John Means Refractor. There's a Bo Bichette base. It's our third one. Logan Allen Refractor. And that's all from there. Go ahead and watch people put that in. I know they said that like they're hoping he comes back. They're hoping he comes back next month at some point before the end of the year. But they haven't said for sure or not. He needs to. It would be nice if he did. And then I guess Toronto might make the playoffs too, so he might be in for that. All right, Nola, Gallo, Bradley, Marte, Bueller. Come on. Allen, McNeil, Belt, Gonsolin, Kingery. And our final card is a purple refractor. Oh, there we go. I don't think Wes is watching right now. Gosh, this was the Kyle Lewis break, wasn't it? This was the Kyle Lewis break. Purple Kyle Lewis. 107 of 299. Very nice. Way to go, Wes. Way to go, Wes. Cool. All right, let's do a quick recap here. I'll do the sleeved up cards first. Yeah, Kyle Lewis, he showed up. I told Wes earlier today, I was like, hey, we've been pulling Kyle Lewis basically ever since Topps Chrome came out, and he delivered. Dustin, have a good one. Just quick going through the sleeved up cards here. And our top loaded cards. Bichette base, Lewis Prism, Bichette base, Bichette base. Bob, thanks a lot. Lewis X-Fractor, Candelario purple, Domingo Leyba auto. 2 Luis Robert base cards. Then we got Nolan Arenado, image variant. Yordan Alvarez, image variant. And a purple Kyle Lewis refractor to 299. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Like I said, we'll get this out on Tuesday. This week, kind of on the docket, 2018 update. Still got a blaster of that left. I've got 2018 update fat packs coming in too, so we'll have some fun with that. And then Stadium Club releases this week, so I'll pick up a couple of boxes of that as well for us to break as well over the course of the week. Don't see any big breaks this weekend, but then the week after, Bowman Chrome comes out. So get ready for some Bowman Chrome in 2 weeks. All right, guys. Thanks a lot, and have a good rest of your Sunday and a good week. All right, have a good one.